Hey guys, we're here to answer a lot of your pressing questions about Missing in the Mansion.
Rapid fire style.
Did you have permission to shoot at the parks?
No, we did not. We shot this guerrilla style. We rehearsed the heck out of it with our actors.
And I got pebbles on my knee right now, and they really hurt.
Okay,
No,
it's worth it.
Did you have any idea?
Yeah, no.
Yeah?
Only because we don't go to Club 33 all the time.
And then took them to Disneyland to shoot all the stuff in the park, very kind of incognito, looking over our shoulder the whole time.
We were shooting a short film, which no one's really done before, and we weren't really sure how Disney would react. We did not break any park rules. Everything we did was everything that you could do at a park normally. Did they actually get engaged?
No.
No.
They're actors.
Were any cast members involved?
None whatsoever.
Not even Joan.
If you stop recording, I'll tell you. Oh, really?
Okay, if you didn't use cast members, how did you achieve the shot where all the ride vehicles are empty?
Easy. Go to the park, first thing in the morning, you ride with maybe a handful of people, let them go ahead, and then you got the nice, big, empty seance room all to yourself.
Where are they? Where are they?
Pretty easy.
What about just being pulled from the ride? You had to have had the Doom Buggy stopped for that one.
Nope. Everything you see with the camera facing back at our two actors was shot right here in this very room. We had a fake Doom Buggy built out of a flower pot and some paper plates for the speakers.
Very low budget, but for our purposes it worked nicely.
This whole situation is just hilarious.
You're good right there.
Make good choices, everyone.
Make good choices.
Does this look right?
Yep. All right, and action.
Jess! It's okay! It's okay, hold on!
Don't let go!
I got you!
Don't let go!
I got you!
Please don't!
I got you, Jess!
There you go. Your own private haunted mansion.
How many times did you ride the Haunted Mansion?
About a dozen times over the course of 2 or 3 days.
And that was to get background plates and different elements so we'd have a lot to work with. And got really lucky where the Doom Buggy stops there at the end of the ride. We were like, keep filming, this is awesome.
Have been unavoidably detained by lightning spirits. Kindly remain seated in your Doom Buggy.
A lot of people want to know how we did the whole ghost elements. We have 2 ghosts in there. We have Joshua, the little boy, who's played by Josh's son, my nephew, Grant. Grant, say coffee is for closers.
Coffee is for closers.
And then we have the Hatbox Ghost.
Your cadaverous power betrays an aura of foreboding.
I am a 90-year-old version of Slash.
What are we, 2.5 hours in the chair?
Something like that.
Almost 2.5 hours.
Getting closer.
It's really good.
So we took the ghost actors to a green screen and shot all of their stuff there, and we were able to take those elements and then composite them into the ride. Really good. Serious face. Now look at the camera.
Oh my god! Action.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding.
All right, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Yay! Thank you, Jason.
Thank you.
You look great.
It was fun.
That's amazing.
So there you have it. I hope that answered a lot of your questions about the making of Missing in the Mansion. We will be watching the comments and answering any other things we didn't get to there, so please keep sending in your questions. We love talking about how we made this short.
And thank you so much for watching and sharing and tweeting and Facebooking. We couldn't be more thrilled with the fan response, and just keep sharing it.
Thanks, guys.